Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Itzy and today I am sharing another Zara haul. I am really excited because I found a lot of really good staples for wardrobe essentials, specifically a lot of tops. I feel like some of us are still working from home on Zoom and we just want to dress up and look nice, at least the top half. There's a couple dresses, a couple bottoms, but most of all, just a lot of cute little tops. So let's get started. So the first piece I actually got in two colors. It is this black bralette. I thought it was just so cute. It's knitted and it has these pretty little details, like underwire details that I love. And I thought that they would make cute, like a cute staple just to wear with a blazer over, a leather jacket over, some jeans, some slacks to dress it up or dress it down. And I also got it in white. However, it is a little small and it almost gives me like bathing suit vibes, so I wonder that instead of a medium I should have gotten a large, but I really do love it. I paired it here with my new oversized leather blazer, this skirt that I was eyeing because it has kind of like this knot detail up top. This would look so freaking cute with a bralette, so I paired it here with the black bralette and then threw over the infamous leather blazer. I got in a size medium and it fits just right, and this is probably my favorite piece of all. You'll see it a lot throughout this video, but it fits so well and I feel like it instantly elevates any outfit. I think it'd look cute with, you know, like a cute little midi dress, ribbed midi dress, even just like a tank and some jeans. Just so many ways to style it and I can't wait. I have to say that the colors at Zara are just so stunning during the fall. I got this little beige blouse. It's also knitted and it's kind of has this like a warm fuzzy feeling, but it's a square neckline and it's a crop top, and I think this is an essential. I also got it in this fun blue color. I'm obsessed with this color. I actually have paired this top with, if you saw my last video, you know, that blue button up just for that monochrome look, and that's like my all-time favorite combo. They're very comfortable, they stretch, and I got these in a size medium. So since this is kind of like a workwear essentials video, I paired the beige top with these little guys. I got these on sale and they are checkered and I just really like the cut of them. They're beige and black, and at the bottom they have this like fold detail. They're super comfortable and I think that they'll go with a beige top, a black top, pretty much anything, and just some cute little heeled sandals. And then you'll see that I paired the blue shirt with these beige trousers that I actually got last season and have worn them a ton. They are so flattering and the fit is amazing. If I can't find them, I will try to link something similar for y'all. So next we have this really cute two-piece set. They go together and they're just the prettiest wash and color, and it might look familiar because I'm actually wearing it in the little seafoam green color. I actually really like this because it stretches, but the bottom has like an elastic where it sticks to your skin, so it's not going to be rolling up often. And then the little sweater can be worn on its own or with the little jacket just for that really cute look. It's definitely a staple. I've worn this top already 1,000 times. It feels so comfortable. Like, I think it'll actually keep you warm because it feels really cozy. So next I have this cute little beige top. It has these shoulder pads which make it really like elegant and edgy, again with the underwire, like this kind of geometric shape and like corset looking vibe, and I think it'll just really help make that work look very sophisticated, so it won't look like just any regular top or like sleeveless top on your Zoom meetings. And here you can see I paired it with some slacks that I'm obsessed with. But obviously it would look really nice with some black trousers or even like a little mini skirt. I bet it would look even really cute with the mini skirt. Next, this is how I add a little color to my wardrobe. It's this really cute long sleeve top, and it's ribbed. You know, y'all know me and my ribbed pieces. I don't know why, I just gravitate towards those. It fits really well. I also got a size medium. Pretty much everything that I got is a size medium, so I'll let you know otherwise. Definitely a little staple. Love the color. It's like a lavender, but not too bright and not too pastel-y, so just the right color for fall. The next top is quite interesting. It is this really cute black two-piece, but this one is long sleeve, so it'll look really cute with like just a tank top or anything. It comes with this black tank top, which is not cropped, and I kind of wish it was a little bit lower just so you can really see the difference. Next, we have this white button-up top that I love so much because it just has this fun knot detail. Me and my knot details. It's a perfect transitional piece from summer into fall and even maybe winter. Really cute top, definite staple. Looks cute with jeans, but especially with these beige creamy pants. So these are also from last season, but this color, especially with that white blouse, but I like the way they fit. They're just like super baggy and really comfortable. So I love to get my slacks from Zara because they last me a really long time and I wear them out very often. The black crop top would look so cute with it. The leather blazer would look really cute over it. So many ways to wear these slacks. Next, we love a monochrome look. This is this beige long sleeve top, and it's actually like a little extra cropped on the top, so it has like this like cutout that is not that noticeable, but it's so cute, so comfortable. I think the color is amazing. I think this is just an essential, and it's kind of like a patterned rib. If you can tell, it has like a little more texture to it, if you will. So really nice, and I love it with those caramel camo pants. Next up, we love our basics. So this top I had to get. They're so affordable for some reason. I feel like one of these was like $6.99 and the other one was like $4.99. I will have to double check that, but they are like under $12 for sure. And this color I've been obsessed with lately, like the sagey green, and the material of this is so good. It's kind of like a sports bra, but it's like the perfect lounge top. Really comfortable, and I think it'll also look really cute with sweatpants and a little sweater over. It's just such a versatile top, and I think that the color just sold me. And then next we have something very similar. I actually have a bodysuit like this from Free People. I don't always love the bodysuit feel, obviously, because your girl needs to pee sometimes and it just be giving you a hard time. I think this one was quite more affordable than the bodysuit, but I love the stretchy straps because that means that they will most likely fit perfectly and it won't like fall off. And then just the details here with the double strap, and again, perfect top to lounge around in, or just a perfect top for underneath something. So next we have this really cute two-piece. They're sold separately, but they go so well together. I don't know if they are the most flattering together. I do love the top because I feel like it could be worn so many different ways with like jeans, and again with slacks or trousers, linen pants. I really just love the collar detail and the color. So it's like this heathered beige, you know, like it has like a little bit of speckles in it, if you can see. And the skirt is gorgeous as well. It has a nice little slit in the back, although I wish it had a slit in the front because that's just me. But it's very stretchy. It fits just right. I think I'm gonna have to figure out how to style it, maybe with some boots or maybe with a different top, like a tucked in oversized sweater. Might look really cute, like a perfect like Thanksgiving outfit, I would say. And that pretty much does it for today's Zara haul. I hope you all enjoyed that. If you did, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe so you are notified for my next haul, and let me know in the comments below which one your favorite piece was. You can find all the descriptions down there, and I will see you next time.